How to add friends in session. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are using Session and want to add friends, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Session application on your device. And once you're inside the app, tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, you'll open this Start Conversation section. Click on New Message, and then on the next page, you can either enter your friend's account ID or scan their QR code. I'm just gonna enter their account ID over here. Go ahead and ask your friend to open up the Session app on their device and then ask them to share their ID. Since the ID can be long, you can also scan the QR code. Simply ask them to show their QR code and tap on Scan QR Code option. Now allow camera access for the Session app, and now once you're inside this camera page, go ahead and scan your friend's QR code. Just place the QR code within the frame and you have successfully found the friend's contact over here. Now you can go ahead and send them the message and they'll receive a message request. Once they accept your message request, you'll be able to connect with each other. So there you go. That is how you add friends in Session. Adding friends in Session is simple and privacy focused. Just use a friend's Session ID or QR code and send them the contact request, and then you will be able to connect with them easily. Now you can enjoy a secure messaging without sharing your phone number or email address. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.